A small asteroid will pass 70,000 miles from the surface of the Earth on Friday, a close but safe encounter. Asteroid 2018 DV1 will reach its closest point to Earth at approximately 12:54 p.m. The overflight will mark the 18th time an asteroid has passed between Earth and the Moon in 2018. It is possible that others have passed without being discovered by astronomers. The scientists only identified 2018 DV1 on Monday. Because the asteroid is so small, between 20 and 40 feet in diameter, only especially powerful telescopes will be able to detect space rock. Earlier this week, astronomers used telescopes at the Tenagra Observatories in Arizona to capture an image of the asteroid. It is likely that the DV1 2018 will break and disintegrate if it enters the Earth's atmosphere, but as the 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor showed, an asteroid does not have to be that big or even hit the surface of the Earth directly to cause damage considerable.